Hi guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I've got a little project that I'm going to show you today. So this is actually my home. We're in my bathroom, and I'm going to show you my closet today. And unfortunately, it's probably not what you think the Closet Guy's closet would look like. We moved into this home about 18 months ago. Did all the other closets, did the pantry, did the laundry room, the garage, put a pool in, everything. And about the time we were getting ready to start on the closets, we had a little issue at work where we had a fire next door, smoke damage, and in that last year I've set up 2 production facilities. My lead time was way out there for my other customers, and I couldn't justify taking time away from my customers to do my own closet. So I'm gonna walk you get to go through the process with me of designing my closet, our dream closet for my wife and I, and let me show you what we've got in here now, and then I'll walk you through the process that we're gonna do. So here we go, behind door number 3. Brace yourselves. I know it's bad. So is what I've got here, typical builder closet. We've got built-in particle board shelves with crappy rods. You can see over here that I've completely given up on organization. I'm bearing it to you all. I've seen closets that are worse than this, but not much. And it's been frustrating me now for about a year. And so we got a good sized space here. We've got 10-foot ceilings. We were lucky enough to make some decisions on this early on with the builder to get things where we wanted it. We've got power up here that's connected to a switch, so the lighting that we're going to do in the closet will be switch operated. They had a panel and the alarm stuff and things like that in some goofy places, so I got them to move those around and put them where I felt they should go. And now we're going to go ahead and put a design together. Lisa and I are going to go through a design, show you what we do, and we're going to turn this closet. It's a nice, good-sized closet with horrible design, horrible built-ins from the builder. They spent, I think they got $17 in this one here. And so we're gonna put together a beautiful closet with all the cool stuff that we've got out there. And everything that we do is available to you, the customer, if you're watching this. Okay, before we get on the design, I just wanna walk you through our closet, show you a couple of the obstacles and things that we're gonna be designing around. So first thing, we were lucky on this one is that our laundry room is right on the other side of this wall, and so one of the first things that we put in was just a laundry chute. So now if we've got dirty clothes, when we need them, we toss them over here. They drop into a basket on the counter on the other side, so we don't have a whole lot of need for laundry baskets, laundry hampers, or anything like that. My wife's got right now, she's got some really nice Tupperware drawers in there that she's using. Drawer space is important to her, and so we're gonna make sure that we get plenty of that in here. We really like that. She's also got a fair amount of long hang, and so that's something also that she's got certain things that she likes to keep together even though the items aren't long, and so she wants a fair amount of that. That's a goal for us. And then we've got the 10-foot ceilings in here, so we definitely want to use all of the ceiling space. Even if we don't put things up there, having the system built up to 8 feet high fills the closet up and makes it look good. And then just a couple other items that we've got over here. Luckily with the builder early on, we were able to, we got this big panel here that I think we've opened once, we'll never open it again probably. They originally had that over here right in the middle of good quality closet space. I was able to get them to move it here before we got into the process. Same with the cable TV and internet access. And then the last obstacle we've got a large safe over here on the ground that's bolted to the floor that we're gonna work around. So that's kind of our starting point on stuff. We're gonna put a great design together. I'll show you the design and then we'll go from there.
Thank you for watching. Please take a second and like and subscribe to this channel so you can get further updates on this closet. If you have needs for closet organizers, garage cabinets, home offices, or Murphy wall beds, click on the link in the description to take you to our website, and we'd be glad to take care of you.